Greetings, my friend. It's Mohammed Mahdi. Global wealth networks and cash flow. Global wealth networks and cash flow. What's the relationship between these two phenomena, right? Cash flow, meaning in this instance, the ability of monies to flow to you because of some work that you've done in the marketplace once. You have delivered something of value to the marketplace, a product, a service, an arrangement, and as a result of that, monies are flowing to you month after month, week after week, and that's called cash flow, right? Cash flow, anyway. So the other thing is global wealth networks, a phenomenon happening all around the globe right now, several continents. People are banding together, locking arms, and building communities. Communities with only two common core principles that really serve as the glue. Number one, this absolute intention to have complete mastery over their cash flow, their monthly income, and how they manage their financial affairs. And number two, complete mastery over their time freedom. So you've got a growing number of people on all continents involving themselves in building these communities that we are calling global wealth networks, and it's happening simultaneously. Now, a global wealth network, these communities of people, the way that they generate cash flow, because that's the other part, global wealth networks and cash flow. So the way that global wealth networks, these communities of people, the way that they generate cash flow is very, very simple and elegant. It is so cool. It's like this. A group of people get together and they have a variety of different skill sets. You know, they come from a variety of different backgrounds. They may even come from a variety of different countries. But they get together because of this 21st century technology. They're getting together online and they mastermind and collaborate and say, hey, you know what? We need to make sure, we need to guarantee that we have cash flowing to us every month, that income is not an issue. So how shall we best do that? And their answer is simple. We're going to look into the marketplace and see what the current needs are, and we're going to build products or build services or provide existing products and provide existing services that serve as a solution to the challenges that we see happening in the marketplace right now. Simple. So a group of people form a community, decide that they have one common objective, well, a set of common objectives, in this case, complete mastery over their financial affairs and complete mastery over their time. And that being the objective, they set out a game plan to deliver products and services to the marketplace that serve as solutions for the challenges that they see in the marketplace. Elegant, simple. Here's the thing. Instead of them becoming salespeople where they have to go out and push things, they have to go out and peddle things, stuff. They say, hey, you know what, we're going to not only arrange or produce these products, arrange for these services, or have these services. We're going to take these services and these products and use them ourselves because we need them. It's so good, we need them. And so instead of going out and pushing products and services, they decide to take ownership of those products and services. Right? They take ownership of those products and services, build an online community of people that will take ownership of those products and services, and every time someone comes into the community, takes ownership of a product or a service, and income is generated for the person who has invited them into the community. Elegant. Simple. And this is all done online at the speed of now. Global wealth networks and cash flow. Now, there are several examples of global wealth networks. We won't get into naming them. It's sufficient in this conversation that you know how they operate. And now, my friend, that you know how a global wealth network operates, now that you know that it is a community of people that are focused and centered on a common objective, and that they have put their brains together to develop solutions for challenges that they see in the marketplace, my suggestion, strong suggestion, is that you align yourself in a global wealth network. What are the advantages of doing that? Number one, it puts you in a position where you are absolutely in control of the means of generating your own cash flow. It puts you in control of the means of generating your own cash flow. You can generate your cash flow by developing the marketing online, attracting people to this solution that you have, right? They take advantage of this solution, purchase the product, purchase the service, all online, and that can be happening while you are asleep, on a vacation, attending to other projects with your family, whatever the case may be. It can happen on automatic pilot. So that's number one, that you are in control. You have ownership of the means of generating cash flow. And you're doing that without any of the overhead associated with traditional business. You're doing that without any of the risks associated with a traditional business startup. And you're certainly doing it at a fraction of the cost of what it would be for you to build a traditional business. My name is Muhammad Mahdi. Today's topic has been global wealth networks and cash flow. I certainly hope that you've gained value from this conversation. We'll see you on the next video.